Today's recipe, thick creamy yogurt, no machine required. Take half a gallon of milk, add it to a pot, and heat it to 110 degrees Fahrenheit. That's just until it feels warm when you dip your finger into it. Keep your heat on medium so that the milk doesn't burn. Once our milk has reached the right temperature, transfer it to another container. We want to get some yogurt culture in there now. So we're going to add 6 to 8 ounces of yogurt. Any yogurt will do, preferably Greek yogurt. That's a really good yogurt to work with, but you just want to make sure it has live cultures. Read the label, make sure it has active cultures. Add that to your milk. Whisk it up really well. Once you have that all whisked in, cover it and set it aside in a warm place for at least 6 to 8 hours. It's been about 8 hours. My yogurt has set. It's thickened up nicely. Don't worry if it cracks when you shake it or if it separates when you shake it. Just set it in the fridge to chill for several hours. That will stop the culture from growing and set the yogurt. It's been about 2 hours. My yogurt is thoroughly chilled and set. We're going to take a look at it. You'll see a little whey at the corners. That's fine. If there's too much, just drain it off. Oh, look, that looks beautiful. A nice thick yogurt. This came out amazing. Just stir that all up until it's nice and creamy. You can use a wire whisk for that. This is a beautiful thick yogurt. Get it nice and creamy. This will also prevent it from separating in the fridge when you store it. I'm just going to serve that up. Add some fruit. You can see how thick it is by how the fruit stays on top. And a dollop of honey and my yogurt is ready. A few tips: if your yogurt is not coming out as thick as you would like it, when you take it out of the oven, just let it sit for a little bit longer. Make sure you keep that temperature warm. You can wrap it in a towel if you must. You can also try adding a teaspoon or 2 of gelatin. Just dissolve it in some cold water first and then add it to your mixture before you place it in the oven. Just whisk it in along with the yogurt. That will help thicken the yogurt as well. Although that is one of the reasons I make my own yogurt. You have more probiotics. There are no additives, there is no gelatin, there are no fillers, there are no thickeners. It's a pure product. You can also use your own yogurt to keep making yogurt. You can do it for about 5 times. It will take you as far as 5 times before you need a new starter. But you can keep using your own yogurt. Take a cup of this batch, make another batch, and just keep going with that. So many reasons to make your own yogurt. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. I hope you give it a try. Please take a moment to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more recipes like this.